Christmas and happy holidays. It's Tim Kanak from Perkins Roofing and Perkins Construction. And guess what we are doing for the holidays? We can help you from making the mistake that this guy made when installing his Christmas lights. If you need help with installation of your Christmas lights or removing your Christmas lights, give us a call and we can quote that for you. So not just roofing, not just construction, but we can help you put your Christmas lights up so you don't screw up your roof and screw up your gutters. Give us a call for any help at 305 MIA Roof for Miami, Broward, the Keys. For up north, 561-559 Roof for Palm Beach, Martin, and St. Lucie County. And let us provide you a Merry Christmas. Oh, ho, ho.